Yale smart locks use a tamper circuit to detect forced entry or removal from doors. When a tamper alarm goes off, it's usually due to low battery, a software glitch, or physical tampering. Common causes include low battery, which accounts for about 40% of tamper alarm issues. Software glitches and physical tampering are other frequent triggers. First, replace the batteries with fresh, Yale-approved ones. This resolves most low battery issues. Next, check for physical tampering or loose components. Even minor vibrations or accidental bumps can trigger the sensitive sensor. Address external factors like slamming doors, heavy wind, or vibrations from nearby machinery that could affect the lock's stability. Don't ignore a tamper alarm. It's your first line of defense. Ignoring alarms can lead to complacency, especially since 15% of burglaries exploit desensitized owners. If replacing the batteries doesn't solve the problem, perform a panel reset. This recalibrates the system and clears error codes. The process involves removing the batteries, pressing specific buttons on the lock, or using the Yale app to initiate a factory reset. Reset instructions vary by model, so check the Yale app or website for specific steps. To prevent future false alarms, regularly check the batteries every 3 to 6 months and keep the lock's firmware updated via the Yale app. Also, ensure the lock is installed away from sources of interference like microwaves or metal doors. Yale is actively working on AI-driven diagnostics to reduce false alarms by up to 50% in newer models, differentiating between genuine tampering and minor disturbances. If the alarm persists after these steps, contact a professional for assistance to avoid voiding the warranty, as hardware defects account for about 10% of tamper issues.